Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add contacts to Skype. So if by adding contacts to Skype you mean that you would like to add another Skype user as your contact or as your Skype friend, first step is to open the contacts section at the bottom, then open the search interface. And in here, you have to type in either the display name of the Skype user you would like to add as your contact, his or her email address or phone number. So I'll myself go with the email address option. Then tap at the search button. Here, the Skype found the respective user that this email address that I've written at the search is associated with. Tap at the contact, go into his profile and tap at the add contact button. Now wait until this person will accept your contact invitation pretty much, or answer your request, and that will be it. If by adding contacts to Skype you mean that you would like to find the Skype profiles of people from your contacts book of your device, whether this is an iPhone or Android, doesn't matter at this point. First step is to go into settings and enable the contact synchronization by entering the contacts category and switching this toggle on. And now once you would like to see what contacts from your people list have the Skype profiles, just go into the same contact section with we went before. Tap at the add contact button, and in here just type in the first pretty much like the letter or the contact name from your contact's name from your contacts book, and here we'll see all the entries. As you can see, the first section contains only matches from the list of your phone contacts. As you can see, it is written that this person and this person, they are in my local address book, and then it will also provide you with more people as well, like using the general Skype account search. Alrighty, so I guess that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.